こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, the kanji video number 11 of JLPT N4. We can pronounce this kanji from this one. 仕事. 仕事, it means job. Or the verb 使える, 使えます. It means to serve. The left part of this kanji is this one, like E from katakana, and this is called ninben, and this means the person. And the right part of this kanji, this one, is samurai, and this symbolizes a pole, straight pole. So this means a person who is standing so straight besides his master and serving his master. 使えます. This is the verb 使えます to serve someone. The stroke order is quite easy. The first one is this ninben. So, you know, the red part, the first one, it's like E from katakana. And this one, the black line, straight down. And now this part. And now the blue one, going a little bit going up like this. And this is longer. And now this green line. And you must begin lower than this red one. But straight down as a pole, straight down. And the last one is this red line, the same inclination as this blue one, going up. But be careful, this red line is shorter than this blue one. The next kanji is this one, koto, goto, or ji. And together with this kanji that we just learned, shigoto, job. Koto means matter or event. And also we can use koto to nominalize a verb. For example, 食べること, it means to eat. The way how to write is from the up and divide it going down. And the last part is this center line, this green line. So the first stroke is this one, this red line going up, like this, going up. And now this part of kuchi, the mouth. And this mouth is narrower than this red line, okay? And also like always like this. So this black line going inside and this blue one like going inside like this. And the last one, this green one, like this. Now this part symbolizes a hand. Well, the red one, like this one, is like when you write katakana yo, but going inside, okay? And now this black line, this is very long one, the longest in horizontal way, and the same inclination, and going from here, and you cross here, and till here. So this is quite long. And the last one is this blue one, and just you close. The last stroke is this green line going straight down, just in the center, in the middle of it, going down, and the last part, you jump. A case, incident, jiken, with this kanji, jiken. The accident, jiko, jiko. Reply, the answer, or the response, henji, henji. Construction or construction work, koji. And under construction, koji chu. An office, 事務所, 事務所. Clerical job or clerical work, we say 事務. So sho is the place where the clerical job is done. So this is like an administration work. So 事務所, this is an office. 家事. With this pronunciation and intonation, this can be two different things depending on kanjis that we use. The first one, this is hi, fire. So kaji. Here we pronounce ka like kayobi. Kaji, it means fire. Fire, kaji. But when we use this one with this kanji of ie, the house, kaji, it means domestic work, housework, something to do, some matter to do. yoji, and this is very, very useful. If I want to say, sorry, I have something to do, or I've got already planned. No, I can't. In this case, I can say, 用事があります。大事. This is not adjective, so 大事な something. 大事な. This is important. Silver. 銀. This kanji means silver. 銀. Do you remember this kanji that we already studied in JLPT N5? Kin. This is gold or okane, money. Kin. And this one is gin, but this left part is quite the same as this one, right? And the pronunciation king, gin. So you know the difference. Only the tenten with tenten. This is king and tenten gin. How to write this one is quite similar to this one, but the difference, this is only one kanji here, but this is only just one part of kanji. So you must write very narrow. And also the last part of this line, you are going up, so like this. So let's write this kanji. The first one is red line 1, and the second one is black one. But comparing with this, it's much shorter. This blue one and green one. The second one is longer. Now straight down this red line like this. And now this black line and blue one. But this blue one is shorter than here, right? So 1 and 2 going inside. The last one, this is quite different from here, right? So you are going up like this. Now this right part, the first one is red color, like this one. Going a little up and like this inside. And now this black line in the center and the blue one. Now this green line going down, straight down, and about the same point like this one here, like this, till here, and jump. Now this red one from outside to inside, going down, and now this black one, like this, and you finish this kanji. Now together with this kanji, this one is ikimasu, to go. So that where the silver goes. This is the bank. Ginko. Ginsekai. Ginsekai. We say this very poetically, and this means snow-covered world. Sekai, it means world. Sekai. And gin, this is silver. Well, snow-covered world, this is actually pure white, but we say like silver, silver-colored. So ginsekai, this means snow-covered world. Mercury, suigin. We use this kind of sui. This is mizu, water. But here we pronounce sui, and gin, this silver. This is mercury. And in the chemistry, we say with Hg. The galaxy or the Milky Way. Ginga. Gin, this silver. And ga, this kanji, it means river. So the silver river, this is the galaxy and the Milky Way. The fourth kanji, this one we pronounce in, and it means members, persons. The way how to write this kanji is very easy, because now you learned a lot of kanjis, and now you see these are the combinations. At first, this part is like kuchi, the mouth, but you must write quite like this. And it is also going always like this. So 1 and 2 like this, and 3. Now this part, this is kai. Kai, it is seashells. The first one in this part, this is like me, the eye. And you are going like always like this. So this, the first one, this green line, like this inside, and this red one, 2, and about the same ratio, the black one, blue one, and you close with this green line. When you write this part of the eye, the me, and this is narrower, than this part. So narrow, okay? And the last two lines are just like ha from katakana. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. So quite easy. This red one going out and this black one like this. In, this means a member. So ginko-in. Ginko, this is a bank. Ginko-in, bank clerk or the employee of the bank. Company employee or office worker, 会社員. 会社員, store clerk or store employee, 店員. Because this 10 we can also pronounce 店. 店, it means shop or store. 店 also can be customer staff or restaurant staff. Government employee or public server, we say 公務員. 公務員. These kanjis of 公務員, ko, this means public. Ko, public. And mu, this is like a work or the job. Public job and members. The persons who work in the public stuff. So it means government employee or civil servant or the public servant. Membership, 会員 membership, or the member that belongs in this membership, 会員. The last kanji of today is this one, い. This kanji い, it means the medicine, but not a medicine that we take, but い like a, for example, 医者. This is the person who dedicate to the medicine. 医者, this means a doctor. The way how to write, it's a little bit strange. The first one is this red one, and now not this one, but we have to write the center, all of them. Then the last one is this blue one. This is the last. So let's write. The first one is this red one, 1, and now we must write this center, and this is ya. Ya, this is arrow. Now this part of the arrow. The first is black one, going to your left, and now this blue line going a little bit up, and now this green one, this is longer than this blue one, like this, and now this red one from here, not from here, okay, from here to going your left, and now this black one going to your right, like this. Now the last one, this blue line going down, and you turn and going your right, and this point is longer than this one. Medical science, 医学, because this is medical, medicine, and 学, this is 学びます, to learn about the medicine. So 医学, this is medical science. Medical student, then we add this sei, like 学生, this is student, right? 学生, and with 医学生, 医学生, medical student, a skilled physician, a skilled doctor, or famous and a very great doctor, great physician, we say 名医. There are two I and I, so twice, 名医. And 名, this is from 名前, name. So famous, so everybody knows this his name, because he is very, very good, so great doctor, 名医. A surgeon doctor, we say 外科医. Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. So you can also practice your grammar. But I want you to use kanjis as many as possible. 1番目. Which do you prefer? Gold or silver? The structure of this sentence is comparative that we learned in JLPT N5. 2番目. I have a very important matter to do. 3番目. My father is a doctor and my mother is a bank clerk. 4番目、最後です。My job is interesting and pleasant. I hope you can learn kanjis very well with my videos. And if you forget them, don't worry. You can repeat these videos again and again. If you think this video can help you with learning your kanjis, please don't forget to give me like. And also if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can go on learning Japanese with me. If you can help me sharing my videos with your friends, I'll be so grateful. I appreciate that. いかがでしたか？今日もさらに新しい漢字を5つ覚えましたね。漢字を勉強するには、せめて1回でもちゃんとノートにきちんとゆっくりと丁寧に書くのがいいと思いますよ。本当は1回だけじゃなくて3回でも5回でももっと書いた方がいいけれど、でもそんなに初めからたくさん書いてくださいと言えば、ちょっと無理と言って書かなくなってしまうかもしれないから、せめて1回だけでも書いてみてくださいね。皆さんが漢字を勉強するのに少しでも役に立つように頑張って丁寧に説明していっています。私のビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタン、高評価ボタンを忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてチャンネル登録ももちろんなさってくださいね。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。これからも頑張っていこうと思っていますから、ぜひ応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。じゃあね。またね。